Valentine Diners played an important part in American history. These prefabricated diners gained popularity in the early 20th century to the mid-20th century. They had stainless steel exteriors, they had vibrant colors inside, and they offered a cozy dining experience for customers like me.
In the span of 36 years, 2,200 Valentine Diners were sold across the United States, serving as popular roadside attractions and meeting places for locals. Customers had a range of diners to choose from, ranging from small and cozy to larger diners with more seating. Each diner included kitchen essentials, a seating area, and a restroom.
So this particular diner here cost $3,000 in 1949. This was the base model. It had 8 seats, but there were more expensive 10 and 12 seat models available. This is a good entry for any entrepreneur looking to get into the food service industry. Unfortunately, the popularity of diners like this waned with the introduction of fast food joints like McDonald's and Burger King. But for those who remember eating at a diner like this, these types of places will hold a special place in their hearts.